A major factor when it comes to the health of our lungs depends on the quality of air that we are breathing. If you've been inhaling unclean air for a period of time, this is definitely something you need to start paying more attention to if you want to improve your overall health. The inhalation of pollutants from unclean air can have detrimental effects on the airways of your lungs. Over time, it can cause repeated coughing, shortness of breath, wheezing, chest pain, and more frequent asthma episodes. Not to mention, overexposure to air pollution increases your risk of lung cancer and cardiovascular conditions as well. Industrial factories and even everyday activities like driving a car can have a negative impact on the local air quality in your region. So if you live near or work in a factory, the quality of air that you are breathing could potentially be detrimental to the health of your lungs. Also, it goes without saying to avoid smoking tobacco-related products. However, secondhand smoke can be just as bad. It can pose serious health risks due to the fact that it contains toxic chemicals such as benzene, chromium, carbon monoxide, ammonia, polonium, formaldehyde, and cyanide. Even if you're not a smoker, secondhand smoke also increases your risk of developing lung cancer. If you live in or near a big city with poor air quality, I realize that it may be unreasonable to suggest that you just pick up and move. However, this is something to be mindful of when it comes to improving the health of your respiratory system. In such a case, you can protect yourself by staying hydrated, limiting outdoor activity, and of course, avoiding smoke from tobacco-related products. Real quick guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. And if you want to dive deeper and learn more about this topic, you can go to respiratorytherapyzone.com where we have a ton of free study guides, practice questions, and other helpful resources. I'll drop links to everything you need right below this video down in the description. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, breathe easy, my friend.